Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get 2 players in Cuphead. Playing with a friend adds a whole new dimension to the game's challenging boss battles and run-and-gun levels. You and a buddy can team up as Cuphead and Mugman, tackling Inkwell Isle's toughest foes together. It's a fantastic way to experience the game's unique art style and intense action, making every victory even more satisfying. First things first, you'll need 2 controllers. Make sure your PlayStation 5 console is on and both DualSense controllers are fully charged or connected. Simply turn on the second controller, and your PlayStation 5 will prompt you to assign it to a user profile. You can use a guest account or a separate profile for your second player, ensuring both controllers are active and ready for action. Once your controllers are connected, launch Cuphead. When you're in the game's overworld, the second player can join at almost any time. Simply press any button on the second DualSense controller, and Mugman will instantly appear alongside Cuphead. There's no need to navigate through complex menus. The game makes it incredibly easy to jump right into the cooperative fun with your partner. Playing Cuphead in co-op requires teamwork and communication. Remember that both Cuphead and Mugman have unique parry abilities, which are crucial for building up your super meter and reviving a fallen partner. If one player goes down, the other can parry their ghost to bring them back into the fight. This shared experience makes every victory feel like a true accomplishment for both of you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.